Piangwana na chinaji na kudhalewe what's kanjiri. Tanrahona hele ni mbohavisi alumusi ni kalau. Excellencies, cabinet members of the diplomatic corps, Chairman of Fiji Airports Limited, Mr. Isai Tunreu, members of the board of Fiji Airports Limited, Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Masakanawari, and the Fiji Airports team, representatives of the contractors for the project, CBS Power Solutions, Design, Engineering, and ITP Renewables, representatives of Energy Fiji Limited, and my colleague, the chairman of CAF and the CEO of CAF, members of the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. As we always say, in the best part of Fiji, Golabina. And a very good morning to you all. All those, the accolades in my CV was all made here in Bunangole, Nandi. Firstly, I was respectfully acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land on which our international airport stands. Nabono imbetro rau, urliberna bula, nabiangwan ile wana chiyambeto, nabono nanji, urliberna wachilevu, nabiangwan chinanji, nabono nawaka, urliberna langi, nabiangwan chinawaka, sawayake, nabimbulo, etokenawa. We pay our respects to their leaders and elders, past, present, and emerging, and all of the enduring stewardship of these lands and waters. Through their care, wisdom, and guardianship, generations have been able to live, work, land, and thrive upon this place. We also offer our prayers for Almighty God's continued guidance, protection, and blessings upon them today and for generations to come. Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to join you today as we mark an important milestone for Fiji airports, our aviation sector, and our nation's sustainable development journey. Today, we mark the ground on the Nandi International Airport 3.5 megawatt solar farm. This is far more than the commencement of a renewable energy project. It is an investment in resilience. It is an investment in energy security. And it is an investment in the long-term sustainability of one of Fiji's most important national assets. Most importantly, it is an investment in Fiji's future. The project aligns with our national development aspirations under Vision 2050 and reflects our commitment to building a more sustainable, resilient, and globally competitive Fiji. Nandi International, as highlighted by the CEO, is Fiji's principal gateway to the world. It is where millions of visitors begin the experience of our country. It is a vital link connecting Fiji to international markets, supporting tourism, facilitating trade and investments, and enabling the movement of people across our region and beyond. As our aviation sector continues to grow, so too does the responsibility to ensure that the infrastructure supporting it remains reliable, efficient, and future-ready. The project is an important step in that direction. The first phase of the solar farm will provide a significant source of renewable energy to support airport operations while reducing reliance on traditional energy sources. It will lower operating costs, strengthen energy resilience, and reduce Fiji Airport's carbon footprint. I'm advised that once completed, this will be the largest solar farm in Fiji. This milestone also builds on Fiji Airport's growing record of environmental leadership. I am pleased to acknowledge that Nadi International Airport received the 2026 Green Airport Recognition Platinum Award in the under 5 million passengers category in April. This international recognition affirms that Fiji Airport is not only investing in modern airport infrastructure, but also leading by example in climate action, sustainability, and environmental stewardship. By the way, I congratulate Nadi International Airport for being awarded the best airport in the South Pacific early this year at the ITB trade show in Berlin. I was at the ITB Awards ceremony and was very proud of this achievement. That is a significant achievement. But beyond the statistics, this project reflects something even more important. It reflects a willingness to invest today for the benefit of tomorrow. It reflects responsible stewardship of resources. And it reflects our determination to build infrastructure that serves both present and future generations. As a small island developing state, Fiji understands better than most the challenges posed by climate change. We have long advocated for ambitious global action. But leadership is not measured by what we say, it is measured by what we do. Projects such as this transforms commitments into action. They show how sustainable development can be integrated into critical national infrastructure while delivering practical benefits for our people and our economy. I am encouraged that this development forms part of a broader vision for the future. The planned expansion of renewable energy generation and battery storage capacity demonstrates that Fiji Airport is thinking beyond immediate needs and preparing for the decades ahead. This is the kind of long-term thinking we must continue to embrace if we are to achieve our national development goals and our commitments to a net zero future. I am particularly pleased that this project has been developed with careful consideration for aviation safety. Given its location near the airport runway, detailed technical assessments have been undertaken to ensure that the solar installation will operate safely alongside airport operations. This reflects the professionalism, diligence, and high standards that are essential in the aviation sector. Around the world, airports are increasingly turning to renewable energy solutions to improve efficiency and strengthen sustainability. Today, Fiji joins that growing movement. This project sends a clear message that Fiji is embracing innovation, investing in resilience, and preparing for the future. Achievements such as this are only possible through strong partnerships. I commend the board, management, and staff of Fiji Airports for their leadership and vision in advancing this initiative. I also commend ITP Renewables, CBS Power Solutions, and Design Engineering, Energy Fiji Limited, and all stakeholders whose expertise and collaboration have contributed to reaching this important milestone. Today's groundbreaking reflects what can be achieved when governments, industry, technical experts, and development partners work together towards a shared objective. It is through these partnerships that we create opportunities, strengthen infrastructure, and deliver lasting benefits for our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, the decisions to make today will shape the Fiji that future generations inherit. Projects such as these are investments not only in infrastructure, but in the future prosperity, sustainability, and resilience of our nation. By harnessing the power of the sun, we're strengthening critical infrastructure, reducing emissions, and building a more sustainable future for Fiji. Today, we break ground on a project that will stand as a symbol of progress, innovation, and responsible development. A project that supports Fiji's renewable energy ambitions, a project that strengthens one of our nation's most important gateways, and a project that reinforces our shared vision of a stronger, greener, and more resilient Fiji. As we break ground today, we do so with confidence in Fiji's future, confidence in our ability to innovate, to adapt, and to build a nation that is more resilient, more sustainable, and more prosperous for generations to come. With these remarks, it gives me great pleasure to officially break ground for the Nandi International Airport Solar Farm. God bless you and God bless Fiji.